Hi, my name is Quincy Adams with Lilies and Tomatoes Garden, and I was challenged by the Nakid Gardeners to show off my 3 favorite gardening tools. So here's my first tool. This is a fabric grow bag. I love these because I'm a container gardener. These work inside and outside. They're very flexible. You can fold them down if you need something smaller. They come in all different sizes. They come in different colors. And they're really good. The fabric is breathable and it's good for the root system. So this is my number 1 favorite new gardening tool. I'm actually using these to replace a lot of my plastic containers because these are so amazing. To show you is my compost crank. I love this thing so much I can't even tell you. Right here, I have a compost bin made out of a 45-gallon garbage can. When this thing is full, it is extremely heavy, and trying to turn the compost used to be a huge pain in the butt. Now, with the compost crank, I just put it in here and pull it up, and I just put it in here, and I can turn my compost so easily. I also can come down here and work out my aggression. The Nakid Gardeners made me do that too. My whole outdoor garden area is less than 500 feet. So in order to get everything in that I want to get in, plus have room for unfinished projects and project type mess, I need to be able to move my plants around. So the smaller ones are easy to pick up and move, but the larger ones, I need to use wheels to move. So my third favorite garden tool are plant dollies. They come in all different kinds of shapes and sizes. All of my heavier plants get set on these so I can roll them around and make space for walking, for projects, plus for my 2 fur kids. If I don't leave space for them, they start climbing in my planters. So this is my third favorite garden tool. It's a plant dolly. This one is old. It's a little bit dirty, but they work. You can find them everywhere. And that's it for me. The Nakid Gardeners made me do it. I hope you enjoyed my video on my 3 favorite plant tools. Share your favorite plant tools below. Bye!